Honorable Dr. Flavian Zija, Principal Judge n'uwabira ryo Bushenyi mukuru akutongoza ho Kooti enkureji kandi nagira ngo omuze gw'abantu ko abaramuzi ebituga guzinga mizimirimo ya Kooti.
Rero si chairpersons
mwero ekitukwenda no kugira ngo abaramuzi bashabire kutandika Kooti omubwire nabagandira shazingahe shashana abaramuzi kutandika Kooti shahitano atogwe mu mureterete.
By congratulating the people of Bushenyi upon achieving this milestone and being the third born of the new instrument of the High Court circuits coming after Chiboga and Kitgum. So congratulations upon being baby number 3.
Abebembeza omukyanga kya Bushenyi basimira ekitongole kiramuzi okubasya obuheereza bwa hihi okutambira abantu okutambura okuzambarira kuronda obuheereza.
Anything that conflicts with the constitution is actually unconstitutional and null and void.
Bushenyi High Court, and the process of getting a title is in the final stages, and we hope by the end of this month or early April we shall be having a title in your names. I pledge.
Chama insankote chitakizandamu nitoliza kuba nturebereza n'aba inspector n'abakuba nibija bakurebereza kureba ngo twagikoze ekyo kyenyini ekitura ntugishabera ngo bakitwereze.
Justice Kwizera Amosi n'watorinwe nk'omuramuzi mukuru wa High Court ya Bushenyi.
We are here to serve the people. I pledge commitment to serve the people according to expectations. But I call upon all stakeholders to give me the support, to cooperate with me.
Abine mishango mbarara eri kuruga Bushenyi. Eje mishango bashabire kwane batukoresa ngahe hano Bushenyi. Abine abakwenda kureta mishango mu Kooti. Tumutira tankahe hano Bushenyi. Tumwakira takakuzakahe.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Ben Muhozi omuri Bushenyi.